our viewers. This is Project Talk, where PropTiger connects home buyers with the industry. We are certain that you will be able to find all the project-related queries. The project in focus today is Brigade Xanadu, and I'm joined by Mr. Rakesh Sharma, Senior DGM at Brigade. Welcome to the show, sir. Mr. Dhanashekaran, Sales at Brigade. Welcome.
Hi, sir.
And Mr. Bhakyaraj from PropTiger. Together, we are going to talk about Brigade's project in Mogappair by the name Brigade Xanadu. Now, Brigade is a renowned name in the real estate space, known for the quality of construction and happy customers across southern India. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their home buying journey at zero brokerage for customers. Now, I'd like my panelists to give our viewers a brief introduction about the companies they are representing, starting with you, Mr. Sharma.
Very good afternoon to all the panel members and to dear viewers. My name is Rakesh and I manage sales function for Xanadu, Chennai. I represent brand Brigade. Brigade Group as a company is one of the topmost in southern India in the real estate space. And as a brand, we are multi-versatile brand. We have done largely residential portfolio, also a commercial, retail. Across the spectrum, we have products. And one of the biggest strengths of the company in terms of the inventory mix that we carry. As a brand, we largely have across super luxury, mid-segment and affordable space. Now, in terms of last financial year, we have done extremely well. In fact, across India, we were almost in terms of market cap setting in terms of million square foot, we were number 2. So that's been the performance of the company in the last financial year. And we hope continue to do that show in the current financial year too.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma. Mr. Bhakyaraj. Mr. Bhakyaraj, I think you're on mute. Can you unmute yourself, please?
Yeah. So, hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, firstly, I hope you and your loved ones are safe at home. So, about PropTiger, as Sneha rightly said, we are one of the leading real estate advisory firm. So, with the expert services, starting from property search, site visits, and finalizing, selecting your homes. So, we also provide home loan services from all the leading banks. So we are a company who believe in high professionalism, transparency, and our commitments. So, and all this, you customers, they get at zero cost. So we are tied up with majority all the builders in the country. And so we are looking forward for the webinar to give more clarity on the market as overall. And since real estate being the best place to invest. So, over to you, Sneha.
Thank you, Bhakyaraj. So the project we are focusing today is Bonito in Brigade Xanadu in Mogappair West. We've already received a lot of queries from prospective buyers about this project, and we'll be picking up these questions in due course of time. But before we begin with questions, I'm going to play a small video for the benefit of our viewers.
Known as the Detroit of Asia, Chennai, the capital city of Tamil Nadu, is located on the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. Chennai is the biggest cultural, economic and educational center in South India and is also one of the largest economies with the third highest GDP per capita in India. Chennai has been selected as one of the cities under Prime Minister's Smart City mission and so is said to be one of the best global cities to live in. Chennai has managed to sail through the economic slowdown that hit the real estate industry and has witnessed a year-on-year rise in residential sales. Mogappair is a prominent residential neighborhood in northwestern region of Chennai. The abundance of highly reputed schools, specialized hospitals, and the recent influx of IT offices in the industrial estates in and around have catapulted Mogappair into a dream destination for home seekers. With a steady demand of residential units, many top developers are coming up with the latest state-of-the-art projects here in Mogappair. One such developer is Brigade Group. Brigade is one of the premium and leading property developers with projects extending across several major cities in South India. With over 20 million square feet delivered, 3 decades of experience, and over 150 buildings across residences, commercial spaces, malls, and others, Brigade is proud to present Brigade Xanadu. A residential landmark in Chennai, Brigade Xanadu, located close to key social institutions, IT parks, manufacturing hubs, and the proposed metro station. This 33-acre integrated development offers a world of premium amenities and retail spaces, a 30,000 square foot clubhouse, and modern amenities and spaciously designed Spanish residences. With class-leading amenities, the convenience of connectivity, and Brigade's promise of quality, Brigade Xanadu strikes the perfect balance of a luxurious and convenient lifestyle.
So viewers, that is Brigade Xanadu for you. We'll begin with the questions. So my first question is for you, Bhagyaraj. How does Mogappair West fare in terms of development? Can you help us understand the location of it?
Yeah, Sneha, if we talk about Mogappair as a micro market, so Mogappair is actually already a well-developed CMDA, well-planned location, and with a very good layout. So where you can definitely see individual bungalows, apartments, gated communities, and things like wider roads, and which is not too much populated. So entire thing is there. And in particular, if you talk about a location for any home buyer, if you take as a location, you need majorly 3 segments. And I personally believe Mogappair West is the only place in Chennai which has got all these 3 segments very close by, within 1 kilometer and 1.5, 1.8 kilometers. So first segment, if you see, Mogappair West, it has a 1 kilometers away IT corridor. IT corridor in the sense where there are so many IT companies like HCL, and there are IT parks like Indiabulls IT Park, Ambit IT Park, Prince Infotech. So there are so many IT parks there, which covers as the first segment. And second thing, which is the most important segment for a home buyer, is children's education. So if you take education and infrastructure, so it has majority of all the best schools in Chennai. We have got schools, Velamal, Chennai Public School, we have DAV, we have Don Bosco. So there are n number of schools, and other things which come in infrastructure is hospitals. So yes, we have M Hospital, we have Apollo Hospital, and n number of things. So, and the third thing is entertainment. When you take in infrastructure after schools and hospital, the third thing any buyer looks at is entertainment. So we have got all the major branded showrooms, and we do have VR super mall. So you can do shopping for entire day. So the third thing is commute and connectivity. So when you talk about commute and connectivity, Mogappair West, it has the best connectivity, which is in 1.5 kilometers down, you have a CMBT bus terminus, which is just 1.5 kilometers. And in the same distance, in 1.5 kilometers, you have metro. You have metro rail connectivity. And you have the Purnamali High Road, which is around 1 kilometer from Mogappair West. And you also have Inner Ring Road. One Inner Ring Road, which is a 6-lane road, which goes up to Kolkata. So all these parameters are covered in this one single location. So this is how I would describe Mogappair West as the locations I have.
Okay. Mr. Sharma, coming to you, can you tell us the USPs of your project?
Certainly. So Brigade Xanadu is a Spanish themed project. And firstly, the biggest USP of the project is the entire scale of the project. 33 acre, well within the CBD area. You don't have one more land parcel. So it's the largest integrated enclave well within the city limits that you can get. That itself is one of the unique selling proposition that we are offering to the market space. And going into the project, is a 33-acre development, yet we are leaving away almost 10 acre of complete green space, with 3 acre dedicated for your jogging track and senior citizen corner area and things like that. And then you have exclusive courtyards right in the middle so that people can have green view. So 10 acre of green space, which means per person more green space in the complex. And beside that, the design consultant is from Barcelona. Ricardo Bofill has done the design, is one of the very reputed architects. So the richness of the design, the functional use of the design is far more superior, which the local micro market has not seen. So these are the three integrated, unique selling proposition that we have in the product.
Okay. Bakiraj, would you also like to tell us what is the price movement and inventory movement in Mogapair West?
Yeah, Sneha, so price, as per price is concerned, the CMDA guidance value of this particular area, it starts with 7,000 rupees. I mean, it starts with 4,350 rupees and it goes up to 7,000 rupees. So anywhere in between, you will be having the cost of land per square feet. So, and about inventories, if we talk about inventories in this market, now we have very good number of inventories. So the major portion, Brigade Xanadu, we have around 680 units opened, in this launch. And other than Brigade, we do have other projects such as KG, Signature City. We have BGM, we have Casa Grande, each having 400, 500, 450 units. So overall, you can see somewhere around 3,000 units available for home buyers.
Okay. Coming back to you, Mr. Sharma, we would like to understand who is your target audience and which age group is most active in the Mogapair market?
Sure, Sneha. So the primary target group, the way we see it in terms of it's well within the age group 45 to 52 HNI's business community is a large amount of TG that has been attracted till now. Even phase one, we have that profile. And secondary is senior people working in the IT professionals. So these are the primary and secondary TG that you can probably look at as a targeted TG.
Thank you. Mr. Dhanasekaran, coming to you, could you also throw some light on the available units and size of these units at Brigade Xanadu?
Sure, See, this whole project we have designed as per the customer requirement, where we have an ample choice of 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom apartment, where the 2-bedroom will be starting from 1,062 square feet area. And also we have a 2.5, which is going to be with a study room kind of design. That will be 1,088 square feet area. And for a 3-bedroom, because this location, very good organic demand for a 3-bedroom apartment. Whereas 3-bedroom, we have given other 3 more choices, which is start from 1,637, 1,657 square feet, and 1,878 and 1,978. This is the largest size of 3-bedroom apartment.
Okay, thank you for that. So now we'll move on to the next bit. May I request Mr. Sharma to walk us through the project presentation now?
Yeah, so as I gave the kind of snapshot of the introduction, we as a brand completed over 250 buildings and about 666 million square foot that we have delivered across the spectrum, residential, commercial, retail, and hospitality sector. And that's how the portfolio mixed bag that we carry. And that's one of the strengths of the brand. Our presence is across a large amount of presence in southern part of the India. Though we moved to southern Ahmedabad for one of our commercial projects. And we are largely based in Bangalore, and then Chikmagalur, Hyderabad, Chennai, Mysore. All these places we have covered. Our 80% portfolio lies in southern India. In terms of portfolio, like I said, we have apartments in the bouquet and then villas, integrated enclaves. Integrated enclaves is one of our significant strength. We are pioneers in developing integrated enclaves. Offices, retail, hotels. We have signature brand in the hotel. Holiday Inn is most of the brand that we've developed. And the retail Orient Mall is one of the most popular brand in the Bangalore. And in terms of other sports related schools, all those things we've covered. So moving into the project level now, Brigade Xanadu, which is our one of 33-acre residential project. Now this is a master plan of the project. 33 acre is a land parcel of the size. And how we intend to develop this project in 3 phases. Phase 1 is what you see as ready for handover. It's a 6-acre, about 264 dwelling units. It's a ground plus 3-story low-rise development that we did. And we almost delivered that. People we are going to take the possession in the next 3 months or so. The second one is called Bonito. That is what it's up for sale. It's pre-launched 2 months back. And it's in the land parcel of about 10 plus acre, a ground plus 7-story building. It's a mid-rise development with 2 courtyards with a basement plus ground plus 7-story building. And it has a combination of 2-bedroom, 3, all the choices. 3-bedroom, like Dhanashekhar has covered, we have across the size 1600, 1800 and 1900 square foot sizes. The biggest aspect of this is it's more from a Spanish themed design. So we kept it very low rise and mid rise, and we gave that feeling of green space and villa environment one can feel. This is a phase 1 delivered image. Aspiro is what we call it, and it's a low rise building. It's something we're ready to move in now. So this is called Bonito, and this is a courtyard view that you see. And it is an under construction project. We'll be delivering in 3 years' time. And the biggest reason why people choose integrated enclave is to have that kind of clutter-free space, lung-free space, and children can move around. And that's exactly what Bonito environment offers. And precisely snapshot 680 Spanish style homes, ground plus 6-story building. Like I said, a lot of lush green open space. And it has a combination of 2, 2.5 and 3-bedroom, starting from 1062 square foot. It goes up to 1978 square foot. And we have a readily done clubhouse, 30,000 square foot functional clubhouse, which is ready so that people can use, and it has all lifestyle features. Location, though we largely covered, in terms of it's much closer to the CBD area and closer to the metro, like Bhagyaraj mentioned. And in terms of accessibility, strategically, it's very well connected, both to the road, to the rail. And in terms of the micro neighborhood, it's a social infrastructure is fully developed, and its school corridor. Mogapur is also called as a school corridor because you have prominent schools, like how Bhagyaraj gave some names, DAV, to all prominent schools are there around. And it's largely residential populated belt. And that's why it's one of the preferred residential pocket for people to move in. And the biggest strength of the project, as you see, it's an actual shot of the image. We have done 3 acre of landscape done. And having designed Spanish themed home, we brought that design flavor into reality. When people walk into the complex, they really get to feel that complete green space, kind of giving them that fresh feeling. So these are some actual short image of the show flat that we have done. It's a 3-bedroom show flat. What you see is a living and dining image with a nice sit-out balcony with a good ventilated sunlight coming in. So this is a master bedroom shot with a cross ventilation. Both the windows are there, enough space for the wardrobe. And this is your second bed, which one can treat it as study room. And there's a kitchen. It's again a vast kitchen with a utility. So these are the sizes that one can quickly see. 2-bed with only one single size, 1062, 1288 for 2.5, 3-bedroom, 3 categories, starting from 1600, it goes up to 1900. Yeah, that's about the project.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma. A lifestyle truly coveted. Thank you for a comprehensive presentation. Now, I can't keep my audience waiting, so we'll pick up their questions right away. My first question comes from Lalit Nath. He's asking us, Mr. Sharma, what is the average price of property in Mogappair West? What will be the capital appreciation in your project in the next 3 to 4 years? This is Lalitna.
Sure, I will address that. So average capital value confined to our zone is anywhere between 5,500 to 7,000 rupees, depending on the branded developer, land parcel, the product offering as a whole. So that's a scale of range of capital value. And with reference to the capital appreciation in Brigade Xanadu, like I mentioned, one of the key feature of this project is the scale of the project, 33 acre, and it's a only integrated enclave. Therefore, the capital appreciation, it's going to be unprecedented in this particular project compared to the other smaller projects that you have. And an average capital appreciation, one can look at anywhere between, in a vibrant scenario, let's say, in a very vibrant market scenario, it hovers anywhere between 12% to 18%. But now we all know it's a turbulent times. Yet, I see unprecedented growth for the fact that this is the only land parcel that we have. So therefore, it can anywhere between 10% to 15% for Brigade customers.
Okay. Bhagiraj, our next question comes from Mr. Kamal Malpani. Can I do a virtual tour of this property? If I'm interested, can PropTiger help with assistance such as home loan and documentation?
Okay, so definitely, Mr. Kamal, with pleasure, we'll be doing it. So as a company, we have developed cutting edge technologies, such as we have a 3D walkthroughs, we have slice views, we have hawk view for the location, and readily available information on YouTube we have. So yes, it will be very happy to assist you for that. And for home loans, yes, we work with home loans and we work very closely with all the major banks. We work with around 18, 19 banks and other NBFCs. So we have dedicated managers for that who are at just a one-step solution for you to get your home loan processed at the suitable bank as a best solution for you.
Thank you. Mr. Dhanashekaran, it says Mehroom Razi asking us, do you offer any price protection to customers who are booking a property right now? What is the booking value? Will there be a refund?
Yeah. See, as a price protection, we are offering for customer who are going to book apartment during this period. There is a limited period which is going to be till December 2020. So the validity will be available price protection. And next question is refund. Basically, the refund, we are very much we want to refund the money to the customer with the very minimal administrative charges will be there, and then balance amount will be payable. And 10% will be our booking charges. So basically, customer have to pay 10% on flat cost, and they can book apartment.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Sharma, Mithun Aravamudan asks us, how is water supply and other amenities in this project?
Sure, I will address. So water per se, what we have done a comprehensive water management plan for the project, wherein primary source of the water is Metro Water. We have applied for the connection and we are going to get it for sure for the phase 1. Similarly, we'll do for the phase 2 because it's part of the city limit, well within the corporation limit. The primary source of the water has to be Metro, and that will take care of 70% of the water requirement of the complex. And we do have STP, sewerage treatment plant, which will treat the water, and that retreated water would be used only for the flushing and gardening purposes. And then another 15% of the water can be served by means of groundwater that we already have few borewells duct in. So that groundwater is also again treated by WTP plant. So largely 3 sources of water: Metro Water, then you have STP recycled water, and then you also have a groundwater. Comprehensively, we've done the plan. And water is not an issue in Brigade Xanadu. With reference to amenities, with reference to the other amenities, we have lifestyle to offer lifestyle feature clubhouse, 30,000 square foot, which has all multi-purpose hall to the rooftop pool, and then you have gymnasium, you have 2 banquet hall with also creche, and then beside that you have a snooker, And also there is a commercial arcade in the complex, which will cater all the commercial requirements, larger supermarket to the spa, restaurant, all those things are covered well within the complex. It's basically self-sustainable township.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Sharma. We'll move to Mr. Dhanasekaran. There's a question for you from Kartik Kumar. He is saying, I'm a single parent looking to buy a property in Brigade Xanadu. Please tell me about security in the project and Mogapair West, where it is located.
As a project, Xanadu, the township project. So as a project, we completely take care of the security system of safety of our customer, and start from the main entry. And once he enters that particular block, that means building, and again entry of his apartments. All the 3 levels of security systems we covered in the whole property.
Okay. Okay. All right. You would also want to know how is Mogapair West in terms of safety?
As we talking about earlier, as Mogapair West is a completely residential area, so it's completely it's an area which is having a very good infrastructures like the broader road, as complete have a CCTV cameras provided by the common areas covered by the associations, and police officials install the CCTV cameras. So as an area, it's well secured. In any point of time, people are now coming out and going into common other outside places. It's a well secured place from the customer perspective.
Thank you. Mr. Sharma, Gokul Nandkishore is asking us, I'm employed in Ambattur Estate and recently shifted to Mogapair in November last year on rent. Now I want to buy a property and I have gone through Brigade's offerings. My question is, are there any discounts available for high intent buyers like me?
Sure. Mr. Gokul has asked very relevant question in these times. So I'll address that point. As a brand, we look at more value offering. We have done one of the finest residential project in Mogapair, and we work on fixed price model. Yet we value consumer. So we have some schemes, interesting schemes, offers on board through which the consumer can get benefit. So probably if Mr. Gokul can get in touch with us, and then we would definitely take it forward and see his requirement, and then we'll assist.
Thank you. Baki Raj has a question from Tilagan Subramanian. He says, is Mogapair West a good area when it comes to rental returns? I'm planning to invest in a 3 BHK for rental proceeds.
So, Mr. Subramanian, I'm first of all very happy that you want to buy a 3 BHK. So, and in terms of rental yield, so as a market in Mogapair, the normal rent which you get per square feet in a layman's language is close to 20 rupees. So if you are going for a 3 BHK, close to somewhere around 1,500 or 1,600 square feet, it will yield you 32,000 to 35,000 approximately as a rent. And similarly, if somebody goes for a 2 BHK, close to 900,000 or 1,100 square feet, you get a rental, say, starting from 20,000 rupees up to 24,000 rupees. That's the rent you yield from the market, sir.
Mr. Dhanasekaran, yes, Mansi Arjun Iyer asking us, what are the maintenance charges in this project and what are the facilities for an aged couple? So this is a senior citizen asking us, I think.
As we talking about this is a township project, we have to maintain in a proper manner. So we are charging maintenance charges per square foot 3 rupees. And this amount will be payable by customer for 1 year upfront. Okay, so this is towards maintenance charges. And when we're talking about a senior citizen, we especially like this particular project designed for all category aged people. So when we're talking about senior citizen, so we have a gazebos. The gazebo basically people can comfortably sit and they can chit chat with their friends. And apart from that, we have 3 acres. Or as we mentioned earlier, 3 already developed park. We made it inside, and then we have people can walk and can discuss with these friends. Apart from that, we have a senior citizen corner inside. And then also we have a reflexology also we have given inside the project.
Okay. Thank you. Rajendra Murli asks us, when you say Spanish residences, is it suited for climate in Chennai? Mr. Sharma, would you like to take that up?
Sure, I will address that also. So when we conceived this design Spanish themed home, we were very clear and conscious of the fact that around Mogaper, it's a lot of residential concrete buildings. So we wanted to create a lot of green space, and Spanish primarily comes with the design flavor of a lot of open space, cross-ventilated home. That's the flavor of the design. So we brought that. So it's more relevant to Chennai and much needed rather, that you need to have enough green space and cross-ventilated homes. So it's not only about aesthetic also, but the functionality of it. All Spanish design will have a cross-ventilated, 2 windows. You know, nowadays you don't get most of the times a single ventilation model homes. So those aspect, functional utility, also from aesthetic perspective, with a lot of huge facade with a arch type, it looks nice as well. So the design has got more relevance to Chennai, and it is very useful.
I think that answers absolutely. Here's T.S. Krishnamurthy asking us, what are the facilities that you offer for young couples with small kids? Is there a daycare facility? Mr. Sharma, would you like to take that up?
Yes, so we also thought about when the project was conceived, we kind of completely covered all the offerings. For example, in the clubhouse, we have that daycare facility, which is a completely air-conditioned environment. And IT couple can always go to the work and come back and make use of this particular facility. So comprehensively, those features are covered.
Okay. Mr. Dhanasekaran, we have a question. What is the project completion timeline, and do you expect any delay? This is Yani Srivatsan asking us.
Yeah, so this project just recently started, and we are going to complete the property 36 months from now. And whatever the timeline we are fixed for the whole project, considering all this unforeseen. So I don't think any further delay going to happen in the project. Thank you.
Okay. Bakiraj, can you help us here? Here's Ganesh Chakravarti asking us, we are looking for assistance from PropTiger to help us buy a 2 BHK in this project. What will the charges be? Are there any hidden costs?
So Mr. Ganesh, that's great you want to buy a 2 BHK. So we would be happy to assist you throughout the purchase. And as I already said, be rest assured, as a company, PropTiger, we work on no cost model to the customer. And at any given point of time, you don't incur any charges, and neither there are any hidden charges. So you can be sure about that.
So Chakravarti, you can go on with your home buying plans. Now, there's a question we've got from Partha. What is the approval status of loan from Brigade Xanadu? Mr. Dhanasekaran, would you like to take up that?
Sure. This particular project already given a pre-approved, and leading housing finance institution has an approval, whereas nationalized bankers, semi-nationalized and private bankers, everyone has given approval. And customers once choose their apartment, they can choose their banker as per their own. So we will guide them when they're going to buy apartment and for choosing the bank loan also. It's already pre-approved with all leading bankers.
Okay. Thank you for that. Now here's Mr. Vaibhav Karthik asking us, is this a safe time to buy a property? If construction is not completed within time, what are the options for me as a buyer? Mr. Bakiraj and Mr. Sharma, I'd like both of you to take this up from the developer perspective and from a person who understands the market right now. Starting with you, Mr. Sharma.
There was an interruption there. I couldn't hear the question fully.
Okay. Yes, Vaibhav Karthik asking us, is this a safe time to buy a property? If construction is not completed within time, what are the options for me as a buyer?
Okay, sure. So certainly, see, when you choose a branded developer, one of the biggest advantages, we look at comprehensive planning for the construction. So irrespective of the market turbulence, there is a clear plan in place. Therefore, as a buyer, you are not in for any inconvenience when you choose a builder like us. Your delivery time commitment will stay put in the contract and we will honor that. And that's how the track record is maintained for a brand like us. Over a period of 34 years, we consistently deliver high quality homes with a signature building. So, and we in fact largely deal with large scale projects. So one need not worry on the delivery front. However, as a buyer, you do have in the event there is a project delay, every buyer has a protection clause, which is called compensatory clause. Should there be any delay, the buyer would be duly compensated.
Mr. Bhakiraj, would you like to take that up as well?
Yeah, so Vaibhav, I would say this is the perfect time to buy a property. Definitely the best time, because with the offers we have, and simultaneously would have heard, the banks have also reduced their interest charges. So banks, if you take like SBI, who had a home loan interest of 7.95%, 8%, they have brought down to 7.05% and 7.10%. And banks like HDFC, where the interest charges were 9%, they have drastically come down to 7.85%. So I would suggest you, this is the best time. You can definitely go for a payment. And on top of this, the interest charges, the other 3.5%, which normally banks used to charge as a processing fee, 3.5% to close to 5%. No, it depends on banks. But even those 3.5 to 5% has been waived off. So I would say we should make utilize of this benefit. This is the best time for it. And as far as the delay is concerned, so as a company, PropTiger, we work with top category branded developers. So you don't have to worry about delay. And moreover, as Mr. Rakesh already said, we work on comprehensive construction model, so which doesn't have a delay. So you don't have to worry about delay.
Thank you. The next question comes from Radhika Menon Xavier. She asks us, how do you update home buyers about the construction status? Mr. Sharma, please take up that.
Sure. So once the apartment is booked, we have a very standard communication pattern, wherein on a regular interval, we take actual photo shot of the construction, and on a every fortnight basis, we upload this on the website. So that irrespective of the geographical barriers, people live in outside country or well within the demographic, they can still go understand what is happening at the site. So regular periodical update that goes to every customer that is who are booked with the project. So therefore, that's one mode through which we update customer on the construction stage.
Okay. There's one question coming to us from Mr. Swami. He's asking us, what is the difference of price between properties in East Mugappair and West Mugappair? Would you like to answer that, Mr. Dhanasekaran?
Yeah, sure. See, West Mugappair, it's upcoming development, and where people also can expect a lot of infrastructure development from the government and private sectors. And ultimately, the people who are looking for this kind of with amenities and the international standard and well secured and all that, people can get West Mugappair. You can find a apartment. So as I'm talking about East Mugappair, it's already developed, and you may not have a proper infrastructures available there. And ultimately, this will be a very ideal option to choose your dream house.
Okay. Okay. So, well, we've come to the close of this webinar. We'll wind this up for the lack of time with a closing statement from all our panelists. Starting with you, Mr. Sharma.
Sure. So we are living currently one of the historical times. It's been a turbulent and unprecedented event like pandemic on. And the only thing I would like to close with the thought process is all the challenges that we foresee, every opportunity, every crisis brings certain amount of opportunity. And I certainly foresee a biggest of the opportunity that is there for all the wise home buyers in case they are looking at, for a very long time, maybe an apt time to go explore and go with a very reliable name, a name which is delivered consistently irrespective of the market turbulence. So from my end, I would say crisis bring opportunity. Let's grab it.
Thank you. This is Anishika.
Yeah. Actually, this is an unprecedented scenario, and definitely everyone feel that what going to happen. And as we talking about as a brand, we carry our brand and our legacy past 33 years, more than that. And so when people wanted to choose their apartment and the verge of choosing and buying apartment, and always you can look into their past history and then what are the development they have made it, and this will be a idle and the very basic info you can look into the apartment. And as I'm talking about, this is the right time to buy apartment also, because this is a particular time you can get your own choice, and certain your request also can be incorporated. We can add and we can try to offer the best discounts that can be offered. So please take it forward and try to get the good apartment and book it.
Thank you. Mr. Bhagyaraj.
So I thank everyone for attending this webinar. So please reach out to us for any assistance and any expert advice for your rental, real estate transaction. And stay home and stay safe and enjoy the time with your family.
Correct. Thank you, panelists, for being with us today and answering all these queries. Thank you, viewers, for joining us on Project Talk. If you have any more questions to ask us, write into us or drop in your queries on our social media handles, and our representatives will get back to you immediately. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.